Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Couple weeks ago I showed you the best, in my opinion, debit card for cryptocurrency, and I ordered this card. I ordered rebate crypto card, and finally I got my card, and I want to make some unboxing this card with you. But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video. So like you see, I got my package. This package came. I'm waiting for this card over 2 months, so it's not short time, but it's not so big. My friend waiting for this card 3 months. For me was only 2 months, so it's very good for this card. And I open this. So like you see, this is a box of card. This is only letter, so this is not important at the moment. So I can put this I can put this to the rubbish. And like you see, we have card. We can open here, and what we have next item inside. Here is some information. It's my pleasure to present you with your MCO Visa card. You can activate it and manage through crypto app or 24/7 app live chat support. We will be able to answer any question you may have. The MCO Visa card is often the first step into the new exciting world. We hope it also provides to be the first step to you take back to control your money, the data and identity. It's after all basic human rights, and only blockchain technology can truly deliver on that promise. Simple ask: if your product works for you, tell your friends. Nothing helps driving adoption better than real world unity, and chat about it with a few good friends. Thank you for joining us to journey. So this is information from CEO founder and CEO crypto.com. So like they asking, I sharing this with you. And if you're interested this card, I put a link to this card and my referral link in description of this video. Going forward, what we have inside more. We have the next nice box. I will have something more. No, it's empty. And what is here? This is something box like, I think, Revolut. If you slide this should be your card. Yes. So second way. So one hand is hard to do this, but I can slide it, and like you see, this is my card, Visa card. It's a ruby red card, and it's nice sliding. This look from back. I think below is my CCV and another personal data. So I don't show you because this is private. But from this side is looking very nice. It's not plastic card, it's a metal card, so it's heavy. I can remove this from this box. Yeah, this is of course sliding. Yeah, it's nice heavy card. I very like it when this card is heavy. It's not cheap plastic. So like you see, this color is very nice, heavy, and I'm very happy. It's very good, and it's look very nice. From other side is card number, validation date, CCV. So second way is private, so I don't show you how it's look from second way, but from this way look very nice. If you remember, I spoke a little about Curve Card, what can work with this card with crypto.com, and now I can test it, and when I test it, this connection, this Curve Card and crypto.com, I show you how it's working and how to switch you order what you make it on Curve Card to this card and grab cashback from this card. So if you order this card and make orders by Curve Cards from past 19 days, you can switch payment from your previous card from using a Curve app to this card, and on this card you get your cashback. So I will testing this, and in the next video I'll show you how it's working, how to make this switching between card, and how many cashback I got from this 19th day when I make payments my cards. So I show you how to use this. Again, thank you for watching this video, and if you want to join and support me and want to order this card, I put a link to this card in the description and my referral code. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and have notifications, and we will see you in the next one.